Good morning, everyone. All right, let's see, what do we have? What do we have? We have unemployment claims. We have non-farm payroll tomorrow, yes? No, we don't, of course. Unemployment claims today. Otherwise, nothing major during the London session, so gonna be quite quiet session. Gold is taking out these highs. Euro is also moving higher. All right, so nothing extra. It's gonna take out previous day high. All right, pound. Let's look at pound. Pound, I was talking about this yesterday. It repriced this monthly imbalance right here. It has been repriced. Let's look for some buy side. We have the 31 level. 31 level is almost 31. It's going to be the high at 90.4. $90.4. All right. Otherwise, nothing is here. Nothing is happening. Nothing major is happening. Let's check euro dollar daily. Weekly liquidity void. Yeah, we do have that. Yeah, it's right here. So we stepped inside that weekly liquidity void, which means that we can go all the way up to 1265, so about 100 pips. I'm still bullish about this. You know, anything can happen. I'm definitely bullish. Still have to wait. This is the 15-minute chart. All right, so 15-minute chart. No liquidity has been taken so far. Yesterday high is still intact. Yeah, midnight opening price is still around here. We do have a bearish order block here, but no reaction for that right now. Otherwise, nothing. Yesterday, euro made a major move. So I have a feeling that today might gonna be a ranging day. Now gold made a new high, which is interesting. Let's check gold on the hourly. We have buy side at 67.91. Well, around 91. Let's check this high. High is 95, 67.95. Yeah, there you go. So that's buy side liquidity there. Otherwise, nothing major. Otherwise, we're just waiting. Otherwise, we are just waiting. What's up with this? All right. So pound, well, it took out some liquidity down there, but no structure, only this bearish order block. Even if I look at it on a 1 minute, I'm not trading the 1 minute, by the way. Let's see, do we have any order blocks here on the euro? On the 15 minute we have a sort of a bearish order block here. Not that major. Let's see if we get a reaction. I don't think we will. No, there is nothing here. Only reaction we can seek for is on gold, but you know, let's check this one. It technically did not close above this high on the 15, so I would be careful with this trade. I'm not saying it's not possible, I'm just saying that I don't really like that it only closed the small wick. I mean, it only broke structure with a wick. Although I'm bullish until 1967, so we can risk it. Still possible. Let's check this order block here. On our bullish order block down here. No, oh my god, fair value gap, come on. Still early morning for me, sorry guys. 1 hour fair value gap, man. I'm still sleeping, I'm not sleeping well these days. This is not an order block. This is a fair value gap as well down there. Here. Until here. 1 hour fair value gap here and here. There. So we have these fair value gaps. There. Otherwise, there is nothing extra. Waiting for a structure break, and that's it. Let's check the hourly on euro. Same scenario, by the way. Oh, sorry. Right here. One hour fair value gap. Same goes for here. All right. FVG. Let me put this here. Okay, perfect. Oh, and we have another one. Okay, just down here. We have a few one, right? This one's interesting. This could be a breakaway gap. I don't know, not sure. Still have to go through the concepts. But we still have some liquidity here. I might going to delete all this because it's just disturbing. And here we have none on pound. Now pound, I should check what's on the upside here. Oh yeah, we have buy side at 30.90. Otherwise nothing is happening here. Possible equal lows here on pound. I will address it when we get there. This fair value gap has been repriced. So yeah, this one here was Asia session, left an imbalance, price pushed down, tapped into this imbalance right here, reversed back up, repriced this. Question is it want to get down again or not? We just have to wait, guys. Sorry guys, just a phone call. It's not a structure break. The structure break, if there would be any, it would be down here. And the main question would still be, well, you know, we can consider this one as a bearish order block here. I mean this. this here. The thing is, if it would break structure on the 5 minute, would it be enough for us? But I think it won't. So we're just waiting for gold. That's what we're waiting. All right, it's dropping back down again. Have to search for possible targets. Well, we have quite a few fair value gaps in terms of liquidity targets. On the 4 hour, let's look at the latest price swing. By the way, if we look at the daily swing here, from here to here, you can see that we're definitely in a premium array. So I would be favoring shorts much better than going long. Even on the hourly chart, look at the last swing. We're definitely in premium. We are in premium. All right, gold. The 3 minute would give some structure break maybe, but I'm not trading the 3 minute chart. So as you can see now, the structure break is happening on the 3 minute. Relative equal lows down there. Well, I mean, it's tempting to trade it. What's the 15 look like? If I put a fib here, fib tool here, almost good. Still early in the morning, guys. Previous day high. Just waiting, guys. Just waiting. Pound, euro, and gold. And no setups. So let's just wait. So no clear setups for now. The best setup I would be taking is on gold. If we would get a short entry. Okay, well. Oh, Nathan is here. Hey, Nathan. How you doing, man? How you doing? You deserve an applause, too. How is your morning, Nathan? Sorry, the music was off. So let's just wait for a possible short setup, most likely here on these pairs. Now this one here is interesting. The pound, that is. It's on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, it looks like, for example here, that we are actually tapping into an optimal trade entry. So how about that? How about that? Tapping into a little bit of an optimal trade entry right there. And I was telling that I'm definitely looking to be bullish on pound. So let's check it here. So we're talking about this fair value gap, and it's right in the middle of the optimal trade entry. Look at that. It's a little bit above equilibrium, which is fine. So entry would be right there. What do you say we put a pending order? Just in case, you know. Nothing serious, nothing major. Guys, don't forget to push a like button, by the way. I always forget, but I always say it. If you can support the stream, I would be very grateful to you to push a like. Thank you so much. So we have this fair value gap here. Right there. Let's just put a pending order, all right? And oh no. There you go. And the nice 1R would be right there. All right. All right. So we have our pending order right there. I'm still playing around with the settings on this one. So if it wants to take it, then that's going to be it. All right. All right, that's good. We're gonna take off 65% at 1R. Should be fine. 65% of the position, and as you can see, it clearly respected this fair value gap here for now, for the time being. Maybe we won't have an optimal trade entry. We'll see. Euro made a high. Silver bullet time is coming, though. That could be interesting. Yeah, it's starting in 30 seconds. All right. So we only have a pending order. Let's check the euro. What's euro doing? Pound is not going to go down, it seems like. Euro made a high. Huh. Gold as well. The only thing we can hope for on the 5-minute is if it wants to turn around. And look at dollar index. Now that would be interesting. Let's see dollar index. Broke yesterday's low. Let's go to the daily. Look at that. Beautiful. I was talking about this yesterday and before yesterday as well. There, we have marked this one out. Beautifully taken out this relative equal lows. Now it would be only logical for dollar index to, you know, go back up a little bit, retrace, rebalance some fair value gaps. I would love to see that. We have a nice high right here to be taken out. Quite some stops sitting there. So, I mean, anything can happen. This is the 5-minute, the 15-minute. It's looking good. This one could be a great turnaround in dollar index. Euro, we have a few 1-hour fair value gaps down there. Okay, so far nothing extra. We are in the silver bullet session. We're doing the silver bullet session, but I'm sorry, I didn't sleep. So we're still waiting for a potential reversal. Now this would be a great structure break on gold right here. We have a pending order here. I don't think that is going to be activated, so as much as I can see, this one really wants to go bullish. But yeah, we're gonna wait. How much is that in distance? 10 pips. Well, actually it can spike down 10 pips easily. Made some yeah, it made it actually took out Asia low, so no question about that. Still waiting, guys. And by the way, journal wise, silver bullets for me, 52% success rate. I'm not sure I want to trade it for now. I don't know. But the good news is, guys, I have a new challenge account with my funded effects. As you can see, it's brand new. It's a brand new account. And this is the one which I'm going to trade during the streams. It has no trades on it yet. So yeah, and this is the account actually. As you can see, I purchased it well around midnight. And so this is a 50k my funded effects challenge account with no time limit, so I guess this is going to be very good for the cause of the stream. I'm going to put a separate video about this. So, you know, let's just see how it goes. Okay, pound wants to go higher. Still no setup here. If pound wants to take out the highs here, then I'm definitely scratching depending order. If it makes a new high, then I'm definitely scratching it. And I think I will. I'm sorry. It goes above previous day's high, which is only like 2 pips away. I think it will go higher than that. Then this pound limit order is off. Yeah, okay. So we're scrapping this order right here by just deleting the expert. All right. That's it. So we are definitely waiting for a potential reversal from now on. Euro made its move. It can be a divergence, but it's not. So yeah, we are just waiting, guys. Just waiting. This is how streaming goes. If this one goes on, I don't know if we're going to have a decent setup in the London kill zone. Previous day high has been taken on Euro, which is great. And now we just have to wait for some movement. Thank you everyone for being here. If you can push the like, I would be very, very grateful. And if you can support me, you can do that by visiting my Patreon at pip.ninja. Bonjour, Miss Healthy FX. Bonjour. Welcome, welcome, and welcome to everyone. Alright, looks like we're heading higher. Now I was talking about this. Next buy side, I think will be at 30.90 level on pound, which is quite a little bit of a stretch. So if we want to go long, I don't know. Euro and pound makes my job easier right now because there's definitely no fair value gaps on the 15 or on the 5, so all I can do is just wait for a potential reversal. I'm not going to enter a silver bullet because I realized I'm not good at it. Maybe I'm gonna enter like a very, very small. I don't know. We'll see. And by the way, there is no silver bullet as far as I can tell on any of these pairs. Guys, I wish I could tell otherwise, but there is nothing. No news. Let's see. GDP estimate, okay, that's not China, blah 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 blah. What is that? Okay, so nothing major. Nothing major on the news. Okay. So no major news events here. Look at it, how nicely we took out the monthly imbalance high, the 130 level. I was talking about, this was yesterday London session. I was talking about this all morning while I was here, that we have to take out this 130 level. And it, you know, it did it beautifully. Well, it was a little hard here, but actually it did it, so. Well, it did it here, sorry. So I took it out. Very interesting though. FXMO is here. Good morning, FXMO. Good to see you. By the way, guys, just a new announcement. I have started my new challenge here on my funded effects, which is a $50,000 challenge account. I know it's not 200k, it's not 100k. 50,000 for me for now is comfortable mentally, you know. This is kind of a thing I can manage, like with no or very less emotion. So this is a brand new account. I decided that my funded FX is going to be the one that I'm going with for now. As you can see, this is it, and I just purchased it about like 9 hours ago. So this one is a brand new account. I'm going to do separate videos about this account, of how we're doing. So this is not a 25k like last time. They had a promotion now, like 30% off from their new account. This one only has 1 to 50 leverage, so don't worry. But who cares? I would be great with 1 to 10 or 1 to 20 as well. So I don't need 1 to 100 leverage. So this is the account which I'm going to trade. The target is $4,000 and it has no time limit. So yeah, let's see how it goes. This one is going to be journaled and on stream, and I'm going to put separate videos about this to my channel of how I'm doing with this 50k account, right? So that's what we're gonna do. So let's get back to our regular schedule, which might be taking the silver bullet. No silver bullet, guys. Only possible silver bullet if someone wants to take it. Not even gold. So nothing extra. Just waiting, guys, just waiting. This is trading, guys. Sometimes days are passing by without trades, and sometimes you take like 4 trades or 6 trades in a day. All depends. But I'm very glad that you guys are here, and please don't forget to push a like and sub to the channel. Thank you. And all donations are accepted. You're looking for sales on EU. Hi Tom, all the best for it. Yeah, thank you, Thomas. Thank you, Thomas. Thomas, I have to tell you, I put that $20 into this challenge. Just, you know, nobody hears this. So Thomas, thank you. Thomas, you deserve an applause. You deserve an applause. Alright, so for everyone to know, Thomas did a very generous donation for $20 to the stream the other day. So I used that $20 plus some extra to pay for the new challenge. And there was a very good promotion. I can show this to you. This one was it. As you can see, I managed to buy the 50k challenge for $262, and with the help of Thomas that was actually only $242. So I paid $242 no, for the 50k challenge. There's a promotion. I'm not affiliated with my funded FX, so I told you, Thomas, I'm going to put it to the best use, and I try to make my best of it. I promise to you. Now I feel obligated, you know. I feel definitely obligated. This was the account that I lost, as you can see. This was the failed 25k challenge. I brought this back to a little bit above the threshold level, but I think the equity spiked down a few dollars below my max daily loss. So I closed it with 4.89%, but and what is this? You know, emotional behavior. This was revenge trading, over trading. Good money management here. Only up, Raptor. Yes, only up. I don't know what's wrong with the market. So the market's doing its thing. So this was emotions, good money management. And look at this. I actually brought the account back. Look at that. I brought the balance back by the end of the day on the 22nd of June. I brought it back to 25K. So I was back to square one. Perfect setup. And what did I do? The next day, technically in one day, boom, I blew it. That's it. So yeah. So yeah, now we have the new one. What's wrong with the market this week, sir? Well, yeah, I completely feel you there. Let's check for silver bullets, so, shall we? I'm not entering silver bullet, by the way. I'm just gonna tell if I can see one. I'm not entering silver bullet. Maybe I'm gonna paper trade it. How about that, guys? Maybe I'm gonna paper trade that. Now, technically speaking, this is a structure break on euro. Just saying, I'm not entering the trade. Structure break right here. Displacement with this candle. Optimal trade entry would be up there. So if even this one is hovering around here, if it would spike back up here, that would be like a nice silver bullet entry. Also made a structure break here as well. Look at that. There you go. So 2 structure breaks on euro. Almost the same happening on pound. The problem is, well, look at pound. There. Technically speaking, the pound is almost ready for an entry. So I'm gonna put a short order. I'm not trading it. It's just the 6 pips with the 1-to-1. Okay, so this could be a possible silver bullet entry on pound. Euro, the same, almost the same actually. This would be the entry I go with. The problem is the range. I have to give like at least 5 pips plus a little bit of spread and commission, so 5.5 if I want to enter a limit order. Because, you know, if you want to enter with less than 5 pips, it's just not going to be worth it. These are only 1-to-1. It's your decision if you want to go with more, you know. We have some nice fair value gap here to be repriced, some good targets. Okay, so the pound is not doing its job. Okay, the pound has left the station. Optimal trade entry moved down here. All right. Optimal trade entry moved down there. Thank you so much for everyone for being here. I'm very grateful for you guys. Okay, so pound is moving. Okay, still we have a possible trade entry right there. If you want to go short on euro, have a 5 pip range. Okay, gold. Gold is doing nothing major. This is the 5 minute, by the way. Let's look at this. Nothing on the 5 minute on these pairs. If gold would break lower below this candle, I would consider an entry on gold to go short. Yes. Then I would consider a short entry. Otherwise, I just have to wait. So let's wait for it. We still need almost 5 minutes to close this candle. So let's check this one. Euro entry is still sort of okay. Maybe this one too. Optimal trade entry would be just right there. If you want to take a limit order. Okay, it's going down. All right. Now gold broke this low, but because it's not a down close candle, I'm not sure I want to take it. I mean, I'm not taking it anyways, but I need this candle to close down below this wick. So I need this one to go further down. There you go. I need this to go lower. Yeah, so this trade on euro is not optimal anymore. There was a structure break here, but otherwise nothing. Okay, this one I like. I like so far what I see on gold. This one could be looking good. Euro is going down. Now my problem with euro, actually I have no problem with euro. Okay, I think the this trade has gone as well. Well, let's just see. Well, you know, put this around here. Put this here. Still good for 10 pips. Because we have targets down there. We have sell side liquidity, relative equal lows right here. There. Relative equal lows. If it takes this out, then I'm definitely, yeah, it's gonna take it out. So then this trade is, you know, what can you do? All right, gold. Gold is making its move. Beautiful, beautiful displacement here on gold. I like that. And on the 5 minute, we also have relative equal lows. Let's mark it for now. Relative equal lows. Potential sell side target. Just saying, guys. It's looking good. This candle is closing in 1 minute. Okay, pound is going lower. It's gonna go into this fair value gap. Now it didn't took it out, so this one is interesting on the 1 minute. Let's put a fib here. I would like to see pound go back all the way up here before it drops down. So if you want to know where my optimal silver bullet trade is, this would be it. I'm not trading it. I'm absolutely not trading this one because I'm scared and I don't want to start off on the wrong foot with this new account. But this would be a very, very nice entry right there on pound to take out those relative equal lows and reprice the 5-minute fair value gap. I can show you guys. We have a 5-minute fair value gap still right here. There you go. This is perfect target, by the way. 5-minute fair value gap. There you go. I think it's gonna go down anyways. Let's check gold. Okay, gold need... Is this a... Yeah, this is a new... Okay. Okay, so this is a new candle. My problem is... Let's mark this one out. So this one is a market structure shift. My problem is that if this candle is going to reprice the whole move right here, then I'm not going to like it. I don't want to enter here. I would like that this gap would stay untouched, right? This FVG, I would like it to stay untouched. Liquidity sweep happened. Do we have some annotations for this? I just want to check mark. Oh my god. Okay, so we had a liquidity sweep. And you know, whatever you want to call it. Actually, let's now let's go with the other one. This was even higher than yesterday's high, but anyway, we had a liquidity sweep. I need this fair value gap to stay open, and then we're gonna have an optimal. Now, I think, and correct me, but I think this setup would be a classic YouTube 2022 model setup. This would be the classic ICT entry model. This here on gold on the 5-minute. If you're curious about the 1-minute, don't be. 1 minute is trash right now. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at pound didn't manage to break these lows. Now we have almost like relative equal lows 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times maybe. If you wanted to enter early here, you can do so with a silver bullet, but use a higher stop loss. If you want to wait for optimal trade entry, it would be around equilibrium, somewhere around here. That's what I would do if I were you. I'm not entering that trade, just saying. I'm definitely not entering that trade because I lost so much on these. I can't bear it. Although it looks so tempting, man, it's so tempting. All right, I have to go for the gold entry. Have to go for the gold entry. Where is the spread settings? There. I need this one to always to recalibrate because I'm going to risk this one, sell. All right, so this would be my my pending sell limit order around here on the 5 minute. That's it. So I have a pending sell limit order here on gold for now. And as for, oh my god, look at that. Did we reach this one? Almost. So if you're short here in this candle, you should be all right. Those lows should be taken out real soon, real soon. Hold on. All right, sorry guys. So how are we doing with this pending order? Oh, almost good. Still inside this range. So we're still good. There. Just wanted to put this out of the picture. So if someone wanted to enter here on this fair value gap, you should be all right, because these lows are gonna get taken out real fast. 4 pips, 100%. These are gonna be taken out. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's juicy. This one is so juicy. Wahab is here. Good morning, Wahab. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? All right, starting to get to this optimal trade entry level on pound, on silver bullet. Just saying. Beautiful 5-minute fair value gap here on pound, relative equal lows, which almost gets out here to this range. And this is not a 4, 5-minute or 3-minute entry. This is technically a 1 minute. This is the optimal trade entry here. So if you want to enter for the silver bullet, this would be my call. How much is the distance here? Let me measure it. Only 2 pips. Only 2 pips there. And here 10, 10, yeah. Should be all right. I mean, most likely optimal trade entry would be above the 62 level, but I go with around equilibrium if we get it. If not, then, you know, it is what it is. Oh, gold is making some lows here. Let's check it out. Let's check gold. Yeah, gold is playing again. Until we're in this fair value gap with this pending order, then until then we're still good, and our target stars are still intact, so we have the range, so it's fine. It's fine. Oh my god, let's go with this. Okay, this would be... Okay, this would be my optimal trade entry right there. If it's not taking it... Okay, now we're in. So guys, what can I say? Enter the trade. That doesn't mean I'm not going to exit from the trade. As much as I did not want it to take a silver bullet. Let's see. Swap market value. Where's the commission? Okay, we're in the gold trade as well. In the gold trade as well. So a 5-minute gold entry and the silver bullet on the pound. TP, my TP would be around here. How much is the risk? 238, 240, yeah. So this would be my final TP right there. Alright, so we have the trades for now. The gold is based on the 5-minute classic entry inside the fair value gap. Actually, this was the fair value gap right there, so we're right inside there. Optimal trade entry was right here, so I think we're okay. Commission shows after trade, yeah, because it's not MetaTrader 4. I'm so used to MetaTrader 4, guys. I'm still thinking in MetaTrader 4 somehow, which is, I love MetaTrader 4, don't get me wrong. I just wanted to get the feeling of MetaTrader 5 a little bit more. So this is the silver bullet this morning. As much as I did not want to trade it, here I am. I'm trading it with a 1-to-1. Although we have some good targets down there, so, you know. Guys, I do have to step out for a few minutes to fix something at my doorstep. I'm expecting someone to bring a package. Anyway, I have to leave you guys for a few minutes, about 5 or 6 or 7 minutes, okay? But please do not go anywhere. Let's follow these trades. Actually, what I can do is I can pull this here. And I can pull the gold chart here, right there. So this way, nobody is missing the action. All right. So I do have to leave you guys for a few minutes, but I'll be back. All right. All right, so these are the trades. Why is it 10 lots? Oh my god, I don't want to push with 10 lots. Okay, so these are the trades so far. The EA is going to manage gold, hopefully. And let's pray for a pound. It's not looking good. All right, guys, so I'll be back in a few minutes. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm back. And it seems like we're having trouble with these trades. Look at that. Pound silver bullet. Not really working out so far. But it does look very juicy here. It definitely does. Gold, yeah. Gold, well, you know, if I lose this, I'm gonna be very much confident that you know, this setup was actually a classic ICT setup, so I'm not going to be raging or anything about that, because this setup was actually perfect for the 5-minute short, so no problem for me with that. Now this one is interesting on euro, because it actually made a structure break, went back to optimal trade entry, and we can consider this. Let me check the euro chart. We can consider this as a structure break as well, right here, here as well, even here. And we have a nice sell side target to be taken out. So this one is very juicy as well for a short on euro, by the way. Just saying, it is in perfect short entry. Like it really looks very good. At least to retrace down, I mean to go down and you know, take out some lows, but since I'm already short on gold and pound, I don't know. I feel actually the pound is a silver bullet, I know that, but the pound is also juicy, so I don't really understand what's happening, but we're just gonna have to stick with these trades. Otherwise, I would have taken it. You know what? Actually, I might just gonna take it, because that's my trading plan. There. All right. And since it's less than 0.5% risk, I'm alright with it. So let's go. Let's just go. The major problem is with the pound trade for now, which is also a silver bullet, of course, why not? No more trades, guys. These are the ones that I'm watching. And one is silver bullet. The pound is a silver bullet. Now we have a very nice entry on euro. This one is a very good entry here. And if we check it out, as you can see, put the flip tool here, we are just right at the optimal trade entry level, right there in this fair value gap. You couldn't get better than this one, you know. This one, it doesn't get really better than that. We have somewhat good sell side targets, so it really doesn't really get better than this on the 5-minute chart. So let's see where it goes, I guess. We have TP2 down there. TP1 is just above this wick candle, this long wick candle. So this one should be, this is great. This entry is really great. All we need is at least a TP1, and it would be fine. I have one silver bullet trade, which I hope I won't regret taking, but so far that's it. So yes, I'm taking the same trade on euro and pound, but I'm splitting my risk. I'm risking less than 0.5% on each. Before anybody would ask, I'm gonna journal these, of course, but I'm splitting the risk, less than 0.5% on each. The only extra trade which I added is the silver bullet, which I'm concerned a little bit, but anyway. So let's follow the plan, all right? On the 1 minute, the pound looks, I mean, these lows, let's check it on TradingView. I'm gonna show you right here. Oh, sorry, muted the mic, don't worry guys. So this 5 minute fair value gap down there with all these equal lows, this would be so juicy. Unfortunately, it may going to spike up and take out some liquidity on the upside. Otherwise, it's looking real nice. Ups, it's looking real good. Hello, Teacher FX is here. One more applause. Love you guys. Okay, so so far that's it. Took your USD buy after sweep of Asian range. Enter on 15-minute order block. Oh, plus optimal trade entry. Let's look at that. Let's look at that. 15-minute. Let me delete this. Oh yeah, order block. Nice, 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 nice. Optimal trade entry. Yeah. Bullish order block for sure. For sure, man. Perfect entry there. Perfect entry. Look at that. This one is perfect. Good for you, man. Unfortunately, I'm on the wrong side. And it's not even funny, man. It's not even funny. Damn it. And anyway. You know, these lows, let me show you again on pound 1 minute. Lows, what I mean, here, here, and here. And right in front of the 5 minute fair value gap. This is very juicy. But unfortunately, my problem is that it might, you know, want to take more highs before it drops. It's not even funny. Yeah, I know I said that. I know. I exactly know what I said there. No, I'm just joking, you know. I'm joking. No, I know. We're not playing with emotions here. I'm still hoping that the silver bullet, once now, it's going to be a successful trade. But, you know, who knows? Who knows? What the dollar index wants to do right now. Actually, the dollar index as well broke structure on the 5-minute. I would love to. Yesterday I couldn't. I would love to stream today for New York. Actually, we have some news. Hopefully we will get some juicy setup maybe. I don't know. I'm doing this new challenge. So maybe, yeah, hopefully. So look at dollar index. It also looks good for a possible long. Oh no, man. Everything is going against me right now. Bearish order block so far on the 5-minute, not really helping us. Not even on gold. Yeah, euro and pound is edging higher. I really thought that, you know, this these lows are gonna get taken out real easily. Seems like it's not. The pound is gonna take us out, so that's it for the silver bullet trade, unfortunately. Yeah, we're gonna own it, don't worry, guys. I'll see you later, Hello Teacher FX. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here, man. Alright. Oh, damn it. Look at that. Yeah, so we had an optimal trade entry on euro. Structure break and everything, all the same. Beautiful break of structure. Sell side could be here, but I think I'm still offside, so yeah, that's unfortunate. Let's see what the market does. Thank you very much. Hello Teacher FX, and see you later. Hopefully I'll be here in New York session, and you're great, and thank you so much for the likes and everything. Thank you, man, and for everyone. I do appreciate the support. Gold is still holding. Euro is not so much. Or pound. Well, pound still had like this very tiny order block, which I highly doubt that it's gonna help us. If by some miracle this would drop, that would be great. But we're gonna sit this one out, and last hope is gonna be for gold. As I said, I split the risk between two trades. Overall, I would go with the risk of 1 to 2%. Now I was splitting the risk between two trades. But yeah, it's going higher. Unfortunate. Gonna have to wait for it though. Yeah. Pound is taking us out. Very close. I'm not closing it. I just want to wait for the stop loss, and that's it. That still doesn't mean I'm not willing to go for a re-entry on the 5 minute. Maybe I'm gonna leave the 1 minute silver bullet for now. On pound, actually, we did not have a 5 minute entry. Just saying, it was a silver bullet. I have to admit, guys, I'm not good with the silver bullet. That's it. So that's why I think this was the correct answer for me. I mean, the sign that I was waiting for. I should not trade it, especially not on stream. I have to trade it maybe on a different account and journal it and log it. It was looking so great, you know. We were at optimal trade entry, juicy lows down here, fair value gaps, liquidity sweep. Everything was there for the pound. But it did not work out, unfortunately. Still want to go higher. Yeah. So. Yeah, just be on. Get out. Yeah, okay. We're done with it. Okay. Now we lost this one. So the silver bullet trade was definitely not a success. Oh, 1.75 and 18 loss. I'm gonna journal it. Oh, and look at that. My euro is going as well. Still haven't really took out this one, but the gold is giving up as well. Maybe this would be the point. I should save some capital and cut some trades while I can. Right? Yeah, I think I should. I think I should. Shoulda, but I coulda. What is this? I mean, even the gold gave up, you know. That's weird. Now this one had an entry on the 5 minute, I mean euro. Still went higher, so yeah. Now again, if we have something on pound later on, I will be watching it because we still have all these juicy lows down there, so don't forget about that. I'm still hoping that this level is going to be revisited. Maybe, if not this session, maybe New York session. Okay. Yeah, gold is looking a little bit better, but not too much. I'm just checking the one. This was based on the 5 minute as well, but I'm still checking the... when was this made? This was made in 236 on the pound. We can journal it. Oh yeah, now here goes for euro. $236. Let's journal it until then. All right. 236. London session. This was a pound sell silver bullet. Ended with a stop loss on the 1 minute down to 1.8. Not good, guys. Not good, not good. Dollar index is going lower. Yeah, that's the problem. That's causing us trouble. Still keep an eye on this fair value gap. Let's see if we have something for later for this one. Who knows, you know? Anything can happen. So far, except for the silver bullet, I'm perfectly on plan. Even if I lose these trades, we're according to my main setup. So I just did a bunch of back tests again because I want to do a backtesting session. By the way, guys, I think we should do it sometime. Well, maybe after New York session, after New York PM session, or sometime in the weekend. I have some good ideas. Excuse me. All right. Have to use the bathroom, guys. Be back in 3 minutes. I'm back. What's happening? Pound is still edging higher. Gold is slightly around break even. Euro, I have no idea. Now the euro is actually making a possible short entry on the 1 minute. If you want to take it, I'm not taking it, that's for sure. I already have this one. This could be a silver bullet. Maybe. Oh, or maybe not. No, it's not. So we're late. Silver bullet time is over. But it's still a 1 minute possible entry, you know. Liquidity sweep, displacement, fair value gap, you know, what else you want. It can still happen. Oh, gold is edging higher again. Okay. Let's see. So this could be a possible short on the 1 minute, which I'm not taking. On the euro, that is. Pound is looking to get that buy side that I was mentioning in the morning. 30.90 level, I think that is. Alright guys, we're here. Still in the trade so far, and nothing is happening. Euro is still holding, I'm not sure how long. And gold is still holding, still not sure how long. What I'm still surprised is that pound edged so high. I wasn't expecting this move. It should have dropped like a rock from there. I don't know what's happening. Although we had some pound news and markets are open, but I was still hoping that that it will drop. Anyway, that's it. And in the meantime, while we're waiting, I'm gonna eat an apple. A juicy, nice, small, very small apple. Almost like a tomato, but it's an apple. Euro still wants to give up, just saying. It doesn't look good. I think it's gonna take out the stops for now. And it is what it is. It was a nice run from Euro. But so far, I don't think we can expect anything more to the downside. But we're gonna sit this one out for now. Not the best thing to happen, but yeah. It's trading, guys. It's just trading. Gold is around break even, but let's look at the dollar index just for a second. Yeah. It looks like the dollar index still wants to drop, although I would like to see it at least reprice this gap, at least to the mid threshold. Somewhere around here would be nice to see some kind of a retracement, at least on the 4 hour. Yeah, but doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. And the problem is that the euro is going to suffer because of that. Yeah. Now the euro is almost gone. Yeah, technically it's gone. All right, close the euro. So another loss. This was based on the 5 minute. This was not a silver bullet entry. So technically we're back to square one for the month. Square one. And the euro trade, well, the euro was based on the 5 minute. It was good. I still think it was an optimal entry for a trend reversal. Broke structure, nice displacement here. Some targets down here, so it could have been good. Really? Yeah, I guess there's some truth in that, FXMO. So we still have gold. We'll see how it goes. Euro unfortunately broke higher. So yeah, June and July are tricky. That's for sure. Let's journal it. But this loss is something I'm perfectly okay, because this was based on my trading plan. So absolutely I was on plan. So I took it at 349. 349. Let me change this. 349. London session. That was a euro dollar trade. It was a sell based on a classic FBG setup. Ended up with a stop loss on the 5 minute with no success, down to 0.8% journal wise. Still, the biggest losers are the silver bullets. I'm losing big time with the silver bullet setup. Let's hope the trend will change. Still doesn't mean that we won't be able to have a actually, you know what, let me put a chart. Let me save this chart, because this entry, oops, was technically optimal. There. This was an optimal trade entry. Let me save this. All right. July trades. This was the 13 and Euro USD. Euro USD. All right. All right, we saved it. Yeah, okay, we saved it. And I'm gonna need one more on pound. That's it for the silver bullet. Still, it was, look at these juicy lows. Perfect. I would love to see pound retrace all the way back down if we would have a nice entry, or you know, just turn and boom, take out all this. This fair value gap is crucial, I think. Pound USD. All right. Pound USD. Saved it. Perfect. I should add this to the charts, right? Now the pound. Okay. Pound USD added. All right. And let's add the chart for Euro USD. Euro USD. There you go. Okay. Great. Okay, added the charts. Nothing else right now to do. And we have 30 minutes from London kill zone. I highly doubt that we're gonna have more trades in this session. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna turn the stream off, because I'm gonna leave the gold trade open, and I'm gonna return in New York, and you know, we're gonna journal it. We're gonna see what happens. So guys, this is the London session for now. Kill zone is open. 100% that we're not going to have any entry in the last few bars here in this session. So thank you so much for being here. I'll see you guys in the New York session, and drop a like and sub to the channel. Thank you guys. See you later.